came in and crashed.
So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Taking a look at the number of possible triangles formed by this situation. So let's draw a little picture. So C is a 94-degree angle. All right, so here's like 94 degrees, right? A is 58 degrees. I don't know, maybe that's like 58-ish. Right? So here's A, here's C, by default here's B. And side B, 17, is opposite angle B. And now, if I want to figure out how many possible triangles can be formed here, first of all, notice that this is an angle, a side, and an angle situation. So ASA. And there is actually no concern about there not being a possible triangle in this situation. So there is only one case. Let me actually even show you, according to our little chart.
Right there, non-right, up 3, from the bottom.
Angle,
down
side,
one.
angle.
Down one.
Wait a
AS,
minute.
gold side.
Wait a minute.
Gold
Well, actually, that's why. I didn't list that one, but what you could do is find angle B first. How could I find angle B if I wanted?
You would have to do... Well, I don't know. Oh.
Right? That's use try sum. I could find angle B. But because it's angle, side, angle, there's only one triangle. Is really all you have to do. We only come into question when it is an angle, side situation. All right. So that one just didn't quite fit the situation. Other questions before 23?
Wait, you can go over there. Okay.
Other questions?
No.
Okay, then let's look at 23. Actually, 23 is a right triangle.
Why don't you have answers on 23?
No, it's probably in the margin. I'm not worried about it. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. So here's problem 23. Let me draw a picture. So here's angle B is 90 degrees. Side B
is
12, and side A...
Didn't you say that we're not doing right triangles? Right now?
No, not so much, no. But side A is 14. So here is an angle side situation. Does anyone see a problem with this?
It's a right triangle.
It's a right triangle. What else do you know?
Is that you're just different in angle?
Yeah, there's no angle.
Is that always
I
Well,
see
angle,
side. I see
side.
side. I don't see no angle.
90 degrees.
Oh, the 90 degrees is square.
I guess, well, the situation is this, that 12 is shorter than 14.
So the arm is like...
Yeah.
How you did it?
So it'd be doing one of these, and it's like, I can't reach it. I can't reach it, right? And it can't reach the other side. The other thing that could have clued you off to there being no triangle here is the fact that how could your hypotenuse be smaller than your leg?
Right.
Am I right? Am I right? Yeah. So yeah, there's no triangle, so you can't make me a triangle, make me solve a triangle that doesn't exist.
Well, they could if they wanted to.
Here, how about one more problem here for me?
25.
25? Okay. Is 25 a one triangle situation?
10.
Yeah, it is. Perfect. Perfect.
Up.
Up, whoop, yep, up, whoop, up, whoop.
Small.
Well, that's pretty good, dude.
Pretty good, dude.
Albert Fudd. I know.
No. But anyways. So here we go. So I've got angle A is 107.2 degrees. So here's angle A. 12.2 and then 17.2.
Oh, yeah.
Stupid.
Right, so to label my stuff, so little a is the opposite because I happen to have angle A, right? OPP. And little c is the adjacent. And this is an obtuse angle, and since the opposite is larger than the adjacent, we know there's one possible triangle. So one triangle.
Because
Where that shows up on our little chart is right here, where I've got angle side-side situation. So I go down to the secondary table, and it's obtuse, and the opposite is larger compared to the adjacent, so it's a one triangle situation here.
Wait, what's that middle thing for? With all the points at the bottom three?
Oh, that's the height. How do you find the height? But I don't need to find the height on this one in order to solve it.
This today's lesson.
No, we found some heights yesterday. So let's see. Let's label the rest of this. So this is angle C. This is angle A.
No, you
what
got A.
could I find first?
B. You messed up.
Thank you, friends. Thank you. So which angle can I, or what can I find first, actually?
A.
I already know angle A. I know side A. So I'm definitely, whatever I'm doing with law of sines.
B or C?
B or C. Could I find B?
No, you have to find.
Because I need to know side B or angle
You
B
need
to find one
solve
of those.
for C.
So it looks like my first step is to solve for side C. So I'm going to say sine of angle C, sinc, over 12.2. That's
Equals.
an ugly 2.
Well, what's the angle of C? Oh.
Equals sine of 107 point dose over 17.2. So I'd get sine of C is equal to 12.2 over 17.2 times sine of 107.2. And now what would I do to get C by itself?
You sin.
Sinverse.
Sin. You sin.
I like calling it sinverse. Blep, blep, blep. Here we go. So I'm going to...
Show the world how do you do it.
All right. Reminds me of, what was that candy bar commercial where he's like playing a guitar to the guy and he's like, to the world. Like that. Anyone know what I'm talking about? It's a couple years ago. Pretty good. Have to look that up later. So let's see. It was sine inverse of, let's see, that's the issue about doing that. Well, actually, I guess I could do one of these. Ish. 12.2 over 17.2, so 12.2 over 17.2 multiplied by the sine of 107.2, close parentheses twice, bum, bum, bum. And I find out that it's 42.6549. So there's angle C.
Whoa!
What else can I get?
Now you can get B.
That's right, I can find angle B. That's an easy one to find, right?
Yes.
B is going to equal what?
I don't know. Sin.
180.
Oh,
A plus C.
Oh, because we didn't want C. Never mind.
So I can plug that into my calculator as well. So I'll do 180 minus second answer plus 107.2.
Oh, nice.
30.1451. 30.1451.
Wait.
30.
How did you do that without using your
degrees? So there's angle B.
And we
Now what can I find?
Side B.
How do I find side B?
Says you do something with something, and you get something.
Good job. Yeah.
And what should I set this equal to? The A's, because that was the given information. And I'd rather rely on their information than my possibly previously wrong information. Although I guess technically I'm using this, which was dependent on all of my previous information, so it wouldn't be that big of a deal if I related it to the C's. And I would get B is equal to 17.2 multiplied by sine of 30.1451 over sine of 107.2. Ugh. So B is approximately And I'm just going to do 17.2 multiplied by the sine of second answer, close parentheses, divided by sine of 107.2, close parentheses. And I get 9.04 to 1. And that is not in degrees because that is a side length. Now, do these measurements make sense?
Yes. Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Is the largest angle opposite the largest side? 107 opposite of 17? Yep.
Yes.
Is the smallest side opposite the smallest angle? Yes. And the mediumest is opposite the mediumest. So it all seems to work out. Good stuff. So today we're going to continue this lesson in the next video, looking at when we have multiple cases and solving for both of those cases. Okay? So, bye-bye, Internet.